Okay guys, so what I've got with me here is a can of Surge. This can of Surge is about 10 years old. The expiration date, I'm told, is from 2002. We're about to find out. Now this came from a gentleman named Michael Gross in Connecticut. No, that's Court. He's from New Hampshire. Friendly guy. At least that's what I get from the email he sent me after I bought this. I'm not going to say how much I spent. Some people just wouldn't understand. I have been waiting for this for an incredibly long time. He packed it well. I hate packing peanuts. I can see it. Unopened, undisturbed, perfect can of Surge. Here it is now, 2012. Surge was completely discontinued in 2002. You couldn't find it in the cans anymore by 2001. March 25th, 2002 is the expiration date. This was before they started putting a caffeine content on the can, so I can't really verify how much is in here. But I will say that it is less than the average Mountain Dew. We've got carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, and or sucrose. Maltodextrin, which was one of the missing ingredients in the successor to Surge, Vault, which also failed this year. Citric acid, natural flavors, concentrated orange juice, potassium benzoate. Potassium benzoate was changed to sodium benzoate for Vault when it was released. And EDTA and erythorbic acid, potassium citrate, caffeine, yellow 5, yellow 6, carabine gum, blue number 1. The greatest drink ever to be invented. Surge. Now, whether or not I will ever open and drink this, I haven't decided yet. But I'm just really excited to have one in my hands again. Good day to all, and may Surge come back one day.